You've gotten your for sale by owner into contract. The most nail-biting and nerve-wracking part of the entire process is the home appraisal. In this video, we're going to talk about the home appraisal, what it is, why it's so important, and how you can protect yourself and avoid problems. Hi, my name is Joel Y. I've been a real estate agent in the state of Kansas since 2009, and that's where I get the knowledge and the expertise and the experience that I use to teach you how to sell your house yourself. So the home appraisal can blow up a contract really fast. In fact, according to the National Association of Realtors, 18% of all contract delays are caused by the home appraisal. There's basically three processes during the transaction that can cause delays or cause a contract to fall apart. One is the home inspection, and we've made a video here that you can watch to learn to protect yourself against that. Two is the buyer's financing. We have another video about buyer's financing that you can watch, and the home appraisal. And you're pretty much at the mercy of the appraiser. How does an appraisal actually work? Well, the appraiser will come out to your house, he'll take measurements, he'll check out the features and the condition of your house, and then he'll pull comparables. And those comparables are homes that have sold recently in your area that are most similar to yours. And once he has all that, he'll figure in market conditions, and then he'll also figure in the condition of your house and the features of your house, and he'll come up with an opinion that will be the price, and that will be the appraised value of your house. So appraisers are also human. I mean, there's a human element involved here. If the appraiser's having a bad day, you may have a bad day. And if the appraiser's having a good day, well, that may help you. That's not scientific by any means, but I've just noticed that over the last 13 years of dealing with real estate and dealing with appraisers. So if your house appraises, then you're in good shape and you move on through the contract. But if your house doesn't appraise, there's a couple things you got to know. If your buyer's using like FHA or VA financing, there's an amendment attached to both of those kind of financing that says that if the house doesn't appraise, the buyer can back out of the contract and get his earnest money back, or he can renegotiate the contract with you. If he's using conventional financing, a low appraisal may affect the loan to value ratio. And if that happens, then the buyer will have to put down more money. And if he can't afford to do that, then he can use the financing contingency part of the contract to back out of the contract or force you to renegotiate. We're at the end of this video, and as promised, I'm going to show you how to avoid problems with the appraisal. The first one is price. Just take the time to price your house correctly. And we have a video on here that can show you how to price your house right. The second is you can write into the contract a clause that says if the house doesn't appraise, buyer agrees to make up the difference between appraised value and contract price. Buyer agrees to make up the difference between appraised value and contract price. When you're in a seller's market, then you're liable to get multiple offers, and you'll get many offers above your asking price. So if somebody offers you above your asking price, it's not really your fault if the house doesn't appraise. Now that should give you a pretty good understanding about the appraisal process and how it works and how you can protect yourself. And so if you found value in this video, hit that like button down below and subscribe to this channel, because again, we'll be putting up lots more videos that are going to teach you how to sell your house yourself, sell it fast.